Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English. Today, let's practice how to welcome a new visitor at work.
Stick around till the end, and making a great first impression with your visitor will feel so easy.
Welcoming a visitor to your company sets the tone for the entire visit. A professional and well-prepared welcome helps build trust, creates a positive impression, and supports productive discussions. However, many professionals feel unsure about how to welcome visitors in English, from greeting them politely to offering assistance and explaining what will happen next. In this video, you'll listen to a realistic workplace conversation where a company representative welcomes a visitor in a clear and professional manner. Follow along and practice with me, and in just 10 minutes, you'll sound more confident and polished when welcoming visitors at work. My name is Alice, and today I'll be welcoming a visitor on behalf of our company. Harry will be the visitor. This lesson is perfect for background listening. You can listen while working, walking, or relaxing. Before we begin, remember to like this video to support more practical English lessons. Okay, let's start. Good morning. Welcome to our office. You must be Harry.
Good morning. Yes, that's right. It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you as well, Harry. My name is Alice. Thank you for taking the time to visit us today.
Thank you for having me.
I hope your journey here was smooth. Did you have any difficulty finding the office?
Not at all. Your directions were easy to follow. Traffic was a bit busy, but I made it on time.
I'm glad to hear that. May I take your coat or offer you some refreshments before we begin?
A glass of water would be perfect, thank you.
Of course. Please make yourself comfortable and I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here you are. Before we get started, would you like me to walk you through today's agenda?
Yes, that would be very helpful.
Certainly. We'll begin with a brief introductory meeting with the project team. After that, we'll give you a short tour of the office and then move on to the main discussion.
That sounds well organized.
The team will be joining us in approximately 10 minutes. In the meantime, please feel free to let me know if you need anything or have any questions.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Is this your first visit to our company?
Yes, it is. I must say, the office environment is very welcoming.
I'm pleased to hear that. We're delighted to have you with us today.
Thank you. I'm very much looking forward to our discussion.
Excellent. If you're ready, I'll inform the team that you've arrived and we can begin shortly.
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Please follow me and I'll take you to the meeting room.
Of course.
Now let's practice key sentences from the conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Welcome to our office. Thank you for taking the time to visit us today. Did you have any difficulty finding the office? May I offer you some refreshments? Let me walk you through today's agenda. Please feel free to let me know if you need anything. We're delighted to have you with us today. I'll take you to the meeting room. Great work! These sentences will help you welcome visitors confidently and professionally in the workplace. Try shadowing them again later today while doing something else. Remember to hit the subscribe button to motivate us to create more practical English lessons for you. See you in the next lesson!